I think it's time to sell the Miata. Not this one, of course. This one.
Okay, Marco, we need to paint the car, or at least the fenders and the bumper and a couple things to
We still don't know if we're gonna paint it white or black.
make it.
Because white would be a bit faster and easier for us. Black also, like, I don't know. I really don't know. Should we post on Instagram or something? Full white or full black?
Yeah, why not? Let's do that.
Okay, let's post on.
Just take a picture of a Miata.
Yeah, bro.
Boom. And we
go.
check in what? 1 hour?
hour.
1 hour, okay. So we're gonna try to sand it down, getting it ready, and then in 1 hour we're gonna see what color are we gonna paint it. Let's go.
So the story has been up for just about 1 hour and we have the result. So it's 52% for black, 48 white. So suppose we're going black.
Whoa, buddy! So it looks like the sanding down is ready, super hot. Man, I wish we had a pool now.
Yeah, that would be nice to jump in the pool right now. Back to work. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I decided to sell the Miata. The main few reasons for that is because we lost our drift spot place because many people left it, so it just became too expensive to run it. And the car has been standing in the backyard for about probably around 6 months or so. I just decided that it's time for a change. You may ask why we painted the car just before selling it, and it's because we just didn't want it to go away looking as it did. I'm not saying that it looks way better now, but I think it looks just about better. And I'm pretty happy with the result. I'll be definitely very excited to see who's gonna get it and how they're gonna use it next. Of course, I'm kind of sad about letting it go because I really love this car. Now that the summer is here, it would be nice to actually drive it on the roads without a roof and all that. But I just decided that it's time for a change. So I decided to go for something different after this one. And you may be wondering what it is. It's gonna be completely different to this car. You cannot have two things that are more different from each other. So the next build is gonna be definitely something very interesting. Overall, we just really like the new look of the car. I'm pretty happy with it. Sam is also happy.
It really looks like my old Miata back in the day, like 5 years ago.
And it's actually 1.6 as well, black. It just brought us loads of memories actually yesterday when we painted it.
Back to the roots.
Back to the roots, yeah. That's where exactly this channel started. So the price of the car is 12,000 zloty. We can also sell it without the hardtop for 10 or without the hardtop and without the wheels for 8, depending on what you would like. This is probably the last episode with this Miata. A bit sad to see it go, but time to move on.
Alright, let's go.